April is the perfect time to start many seeds indoors, especially if you want a head start on the growing season. Here are 5 seeds you should start indoors this month. Number 1. Cucumbers, melons and squash. These are fast-growing warm weather plants, which means you should not start them too early. If you plant them in March, they usually get too big indoors and struggle when you transplant them. But April is perfect timing. When planting, use medium or large pots right away, not tiny seed trays. Plant seeds about 1 inch deep. Use light loose soil, so the roots grow easily. Keep the soil warm, so they germinate faster. Water only when the top of the soil feels dry, and give strong light right after they sprout. Try not to disturb the roots when transplanting, because these plants hate root damage. Number 2. Okra. Okra needs a long growing season, especially in cooler climates. So it's best to start it indoors in April. Plant the seed slightly deeper than most seeds, and in warm soil. Make sure you don't overwater, as okra prefers slightly dry soil. Give strong light once it sprouts, so it grows thick stems, instead of tall weak ones. Don't start it too early, because it grows fast. Number 3. Zinnia flowers. Zinnias are one of the easiest flowers you can grow, and starting them indoors in April gives you much earlier blooms in summer. Plant the seeds shallow, and use small pots or seed trays. Lightly water the soil after planting. Give bright light right after they sprout. Don't overwater, and also don't start the seeds too early. Number 4. Leafy greens. April is perfect for leafy greens, because they grow well in cooler weather. And starting them indoors gives you stronger plants that are ready to go outside quickly. Sprinkle their seeds lightly on the soil, and cover them with a very thin layer of soil. Water gently, so the seeds don't move around. Keep the soil slightly moist, but not soaked. Give bright light, and avoid planting leafy greens during very hot weather. Number 5. Cosmos flowers. Plant cosmos seeds shallow, use light soil so they sprout easily, and don't plant too many in one pot. Water lightly, as cosmos don't like too much water. Move them outside once frost is gone. They grow fast once the weather warms up.